Warning, warning, warning. Guess what? A lot of times you'll find a common denominator. A lot of times it won't be the least common denominator. So if you're using this when you're adding and subtracting fractions, always be sure at the last step to reduce to lowest terms. So let's try this primitive, but effective method for finding a CD, common denominator, not the least common denominator. So 3 and 4, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the numbers. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is a CD. Notice I'm not putting LCD. It actually does happen to be the LCD, so I'm actually going to put that for that one. But remember, it's not always the LCD for these. So if we do 6 and 8, I'm going to multiply the numbers. 6 times 8 is 48. That is a CD, but guess what? The LCD is actually 24. Just, I want you guys to know that. So if you're adding and subtracting numbers with 6 and 8 in the denominator, you could find a common denominator of 48 by multiplying the numbers, but make sure you always reduce the lowest terms at the end. 5 and 15, okay, we're just going to do multiply 5 and 15. We get 75, which is a CD. It's a common denominator. But the least common denominator of these two numbers actually happens to be 15. 15 is the LCD for these. So again, just be careful. This is a method that will get you a common denominator, but not the least common denominator. And usually math teachers are pretty picky about that, especially when you're adding and subtracting fractions. Good luck, guys. Be safe, and you'll do well.